Now see some places such as Bardoli, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Belur is for Ramakrishna Paramahans. Chittor for is for Rana Pratap. Fatehpur Sikri is for Akbar the Great. Jallianwala Bagh Kand massacre of in 13 April 1995. Haldi Ghati again for Rana Pratap. Kapil Vastu for Mahatma Buddha. Lumbini again for Mahatma Buddha. Macedonia for Alexander the Great. Mecca for Prophet Muhammad. Pondicherry for Arvindo Ghosh. Porbandar for Mahatma Gandhi. Rajghat for Mahatma Gandhi. Sabarmati for Mahatma Gandhi. Srirangpatnam for Tipu Sultan. Santivan for Jawaharlal Nehru. Santiniketan for Rabindranath Ghosh. Talwandi is famous for Guru Nanak. Ujjain for Mahavira. And Vrindavan for Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna, our God. Now let's see. Provision of Sati was done by Lord William Bentinck. Doctrine of Life by Lord Dalhousie. Widow remarriage by Lord Canning. Indian Council Act by Lord Canning. Albert Bill by Lord Ripon. Indian Council Act by Lord Lansdowne. Morley Monte Reform by Lord Minto II. Montague Chelmsford by L. Chelmsford. Jallianwala Bagh भी L. Chelmsford के टाइम. Then Rowlatt Act and L. Chelmsford Act. Simon Commission, Lord Irwin. Gandhi Irwin Pact, Lord Irwin. Communal Award, Wellington. Separate Electorate, Wellington. Government of India Act, Wellington. Cripps Mission, Lord Lithingo. INET Trial, Lord Wavell. Wavell Plan, Lord Wavell. Carrot Mission Plan, Lord Wavell. Mountbatten Plan, L. Mountbatten. Indian Independence Act, L. Mountbatten. Then comes the Lord Ripon. Lord Ripon Hunter Commission, Lord Curzon University Commission, Lord Chelmsford Colvard University Commission, Lord Redfern Indian Disbandment Committee, Lord Wavell Sergeant Plan, Lord Lytton Feminine Commission, Lord Elgin Feminine Commission, Lord Curzon Feminine Commission, Lord Wavell Feminine Inspection Commission, Lord Lansdowne Herschel Committee, Lord Lansdowne Opium Commission, Lord Elwin Henry Fowler Commission, Lord Curzon Irrigation Commission, Lord Harding Macmillan Commission, Lord Irwin Lithingo Commission, Lord Irwin Whiteley Commission, Lord Wellington Indian Management Committee, Lord Lithingo National Planning Committee, Lord Dufferin Edgkin Committee, Lord Curzon Fraser Commission, Lord Harding Royal Commission on Civil Services.